Welcome back to my channel, The Wanderlust Lifestyle, and this is Devoshmita. So today we are traveling to Kerala. I'm traveling with my mom and Chalakudy. So it's my first time in South India. Kolkata doesn't have flight to Kochi directly, so we have a layover in Bangalore. Let's see how it goes, and my channel is very new, so please subscribe to my channel. I create travel content. Just arrived in Athirappilly. The distance was about 52 kilometers from Kochi airport till Athirappilly and our resort. So first we'll get freshen up, rest a bit, and then we'll be visiting Athirappilly. I guess everyone knows what Athirappilly is famous for. It is one iconic waterfall which everyone has seen in the movie Bahubali, and that is why it is also called Bahubali Waterfalls. We are in Athirappilly Rainland resort. So this is quite a budget hotel.
This resort was approximately 1.5 kilometers from Athirappilly Waterfalls, and the room was quite spacious and it had all the basic amenities. We got the room at 5,000 rupees for 3 people, which included breakfast. But the best part of the room was its huge and spacious balcony with surroundings of nature.
And if your budget is high, then I would suggest you to stay in Rainforest Resort, which is just next to Athirappilly Waterfall, and it is beautiful. You can just Google it out. So right now we are going to Athirappilly Waterfalls, and the timing of the waterfall is 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so right now we are walking towards Athirappilly Waterfall and got an entry ticket for 50 rupees per person, and if you are carrying camera then it costs extra. It's actually quite hot outside, but due to so many trees over here, you won't feel hot while walking. It's the temperature is very pleasant, but outside it was very hot. It is October, and October to April is considered as the best season for Kerala. However, it's quite hot. We don't know what's in our fate in upcoming days, but let's see. Top view of Athirappilly Waterfalls, and we need to go down if you want to see the full Athirappilly. It is so beautiful, and it is literally windy. The weather is amazing. See how it goes.
Athirappilly is one of the most famous and largest waterfalls of Kerala, and the water falling with full force from 80 feet of height and crashing the ground will surely leave you astonished. And if you want to experience the view from the bottom, you have to trek down for a while.
I'm down halfway and still halfway to go. And I'm wondering how to come up. I don't think I would be able to come up. We have almost made it to Athirappilly, climbing down. We're super exhausted right now, but we can see the fall from here.
And once you trek down, the first glimpse of Athirappilly Waterfalls will surely blow your mind. But if you want to see the falls in full force, then monsoon is the best time to be here. But during that time, don't forget to put your raincoats on. So beautiful. I've never experienced such a big waterfall. It's like massive. I've been to Meghalaya, I've seen so many waterfalls, but this one is really massive. Done with Athirappilly Waterfall and I'm completely wet. The last time you see how beautiful it is and it is so big. The name Bahubali completely justifies it. Did you like Athirappilly Falls?
This amazing. The view is breathtaking. You can easily get refreshed by the view, by the sprinkle of water getting onto your face, and the force with which the water is falling. You can just see it's tremendous pressure.
But the worst part is we have to climb all the way up. Mind you, the trek can be difficult for heart patients and patients with serious medical conditions.
Back from Athirappilly, and hope you have liked my video, and we'll be traveling to Munnar tomorrow. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out any videos, and please like and share my videos, and do comment and let me know if there is any question. We'll see you guys on our way to Munnar and my next episode. Stay tuned till then. Take care. Bye bye.